Let me show you how to achieve simple net head wrap turban. This hairstyle, you can use it on your English outfit and you can use it as well on your traditional outfit. All depends how you want your simple look to appear. So this material is called net material, and the length is 5-yard length. Okay, so you divide it equal. The measurement is equal. Just focus your eye on my hand and concentrate and see the way I'm just taking it round until it gets to the end. This video was made 3 years ago. This year 2026, I discovered that I have more than 1,500 videos on my YouTube channel. And I discovered during the end of the year 2025 that it's like my followers, they are sick and tired of head wrap, because almost all the hairstyle wrap, I have everything there. Please, I want you to focus your eye on how we achieve this style. So that is the reason I said to myself, before I start making new videos, I will bring my old videos and drop them again to see, because I now observe 2025, my followers, they are no more interested. They don't watch the video of head wrap anymore. So I'm not even suggesting to change my niche. This my platform, Deck Beauty, that I normally drop gele, head wrap and makeup. I'm just suggesting to change niche, like to start doing other thing. It's like people are sick and tired of head wrap. So comment section, I don't know, this year 2026, that is the reason I said I will be bringing old videos. I don't know, old thing. I think if people are interested, that I can continue uploading new video, making new videos. But for now, I will come up with my old videos. Yes, so this is 3 years ago video. Drop your comment down below. Tell me your thoughts. What do you think? Do you want us to continue with our niche, or we should change niche? Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye.